teachers, and all my dear friends. I feel honored to stand before you today with immense joy and pride to welcome you all to this wonderful moment of the celebration. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way, by John C. Maxwell. I feel grateful to have the presence of our beloved manager, Reverend Sister Pushparani. She has given us the path to follow to make our dreams real. She is a role model for all the teachers and students. Welcome, sister. When you give joy to other people, you get more joy in return. Every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love. A gift to that person, a beautiful thing. Let me welcome our smiling, joyful, and impressive principal, Reverend Sister Sheeta Fernandez, to this event. Welcome, sister. If you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think, you can accomplish great things. Let me invite the brave, strong, and smart PTWA presidents and members to this gathering. Welcome, sir. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. By Brad Henry. I take great honor to welcome our dear.
I am very happy to congratulate, appreciate, and thank the principal, Reverend Sister Sheeta Fernandez, all the sisters, teachers, parents, students, and all those who are responsible for getting this excellent award, the Villa Icon Award. No doubt, it is because of the hard work, sincere effort, and dedicated service of our dear Sister Sheeta Fernandez and staff and students. Dear Sister Sheeta, your achievements serve as inspiration to every one of us, and we are proud of your accomplishments. Your hard work, determination, perseverance is very much appreciated. On behalf of our congregation, province, especially our community, I congratulate you for your excellent administration and thank God for the wonderful gifts and talents He has bestowed upon you.
നിസ്സാരമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾക്ക് പോലും വളരെയധികം പ്രാധാന്യം കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് അവരെ എങ്ങനെ നല്ല പൗരന്മാരാക്കി മാറ്റാം എന്ന നല്ല പ്രവർത്തന ശൈലി കാഴ്ചവെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് സകലകലാവലഭ്യായി സകല ഗുണസമ്പന്നയായി ഈശ്വരൻ സകല കഴിവുകളും കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് ഭൂമിയിലേക്ക് അയച്ച ഒരു മാലാഖ തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയങ്കരായ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ സിസ്റ്റർ.
Just yesterday, my boy in LKG was reading about saying the name Charles Babbage. I was like, what cabbage? And he's like, no, not cabbage, it's Charles Babbage. And my girl in first standard was reading about Google Assistant and AI and all that. So that is something which is why I feel the school has been recognized. I remember saying in the first PTA meeting of this year, when Sheeta sister introduced the AI and Artificial Intelligence Learning Program, and when a lot of parents had a look back because they were thinking why at this early stage. But that is actually what is need of the hour today. Like when I said my school won the IT award in the year maybe 2000 or before, at that time I could just see a computer at standard 10 or 11, yeah, 10. But now LKG students are getting their hands on computers and they're learning it. And that is the need of the hour. And that is why the school has been recognized by the oldest newspaper in Kerala, Deepika, for excellence in futuristic education.
Behind our school success. It is with great pride and admiration that we celebrate the achievements of our esteemed principal, Reverend Sister Sheeta Fernandez. Throughout her tenure, she has exemplified unwavering commitment to excellence, fostering an environment where both students and staff thrive. She has not only steered our institution with vision and integrity,
but has also been a source of inspiration and encouragement for all. Under her guidance, our school has achieved numerous milestones, from academic excellence to holistic development. Beyond academic pursuits, Reverend Sister Sheila has demonstrated exceptional compassion and empathy, creating a nurturing and inclusive environment where every student feels valued and supported. Congratulations, Reverend Sister Sheila, on this well-deserved recognition. May your legacy continue to inspire generations to come.
So I was thinking every time doing something different, again, what difference I thought. Anyway, that is their mind, do something different and bring the variety here. I don't know whether they might be happy now for the differences that we have made and known to the people. I especially thank the members of the PTA for having taken this moment to appreciate the success that we really won. As I said, this is not my success alone, it is ours. It belongs to you, to me, and to everyone who is part of this institution. May God bless you all for your cooperation. And my dear students, I don't think I have forgotten you. If the people have come to know that this school is existing, it is just because of you, because it is you who participate in the events and bring the laurels to the institution. Many trophies, many newses that we are able to give out just because you are existing here, you are actively participating. Please do inform your parents today. My heartfelt congratulations, especially to those parents who are willing to send the kids for the different events that the school is preparing. Because you participate, we are known to the people outside. So my heartfelt congratulations to the students also. So to the entire team of St. Anne's, a hearty congratulations. Shall we all clap for our own selves? So thank you all. God bless you.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇതിലിരിക്കുന്ന സിസ്റ്റർ ഷീല ഫെർണാണ്ടസ്, മാനേജർ കൃഷ്ണൻ സിസ്റ്റർ, സ്റ്റാഫ് ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, ഓൾ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. ദീപിക ഐക്കൺ ഓഫ് ദ ഇയർ അവാർഡ് എന്തുകൊണ്ടും അത് അർഹതപ്പെട്ട കൈകളിലാണ് എത്തിച്ചേർന്നത്. അതിന് നമുക്കും നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിനും വളരെ അഭിമാനമുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഇടയിൽ തന്നെ പറയാറുണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊരു ലേഡി ക്യാപ്റ്റനുണ്ട് എന്ന്. അത് തന്നെയാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ കാരണം. ആ അവാർഡ് നേടിയതിൽ ഏറ്റവും സന്തോഷം ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് PTA അറിയിക്കാറുണ്ട്. എന്തുകൊണ്ടും നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട സിസ്റ്റർ ഷീല ഫെർണാണ്ടസിന് എൻ്റെ പേരിലും PTA പേരിലും പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂൾ മാനേജർ പുഷ്പറാണി സിസ്റ്ററിന് PTA പേരിലും എൻ്റെ പേരിലും പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, PTA ഭാരവാഹികൾ, ഓൾ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നു. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഈ പരിപാടിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും മുൻകൈയെടുത്ത് ഞങ്ങളെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പറയാവുന്നതാണ് സെൻറ് ആൻസ്. പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുന്നവർക്കും എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.